Yo, what up mga sir? Kami ngayon ay magra-rides kasama ko ang aking kumpare, si Lenel, tsaka kanyang asawa si Jen. Pupunta kami ng simbahang bato sa may Lauren. Yun, update ko na lang kayo pag kami magkasama na. Nandito sa may tapat ng PPR. Dito ko daw sa Lantayin eh. Wala ba? Malapit na yun siguro. Nandun na sila guys. Hindi ako, dinaanan lang ako. Loko. Kakanta yan. Okay. Yan na yung dalawa kong kasama guys. Sana nagbe-blink na ang aking gas. Huwag ka sanang mawala ng gas. Talaga naman. Boss unleaded, meron? Piso lang. Thank you. Ang galang nila guys. Tatakayin dalawang yun. Galing natin. Ubusan akong gas. Phoenix. Ay, ito pala. Gagi. Akala ko malayo pa. Kanina pa nagbibalik ang akin. Mag-asawang piso. Dun sa may green fuel eh. Punta ka na ka. Sabi ko, puta, parang malayo pa yung papagasan nila yun eh. Punta na kami guys. Ayaw nila ko muna, so ako una. Kasi ako may mapa. Nandito na kami sa Muson. Dito na kami. Dito na kami sa Tawilisan. Mamaya dito kami dadaan pabalik, pero hindi muna ngayon. Mamaya na tayo bumalik. Mamaya na tayo dumaan dyan. Punta tayo ulit sa diversion ng papuntang Lemery. Alam ko, bypass road pala to. Bypass road diversion. Basta shortcut. Ay, Central Mall sa Lemery. Ayan o, tignan nyo ba yan? Buti na lang, hindi umulan, hindi baha. Gege! Gege! May withdraw daw muna sila yun. Yan, Central Mall na kami guys. Dito kami dumaan sa may Lemery Agoncillo. Ito ay Lemery Agoncillo na daan. Ganda ng daan dito. Patagers. Diretso. Kukuko. Up. Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. Thank you. Better things to do, picking fake now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know simbahang bato po. I remember better days on the playground. Hoping I can find my way even when I'm facing down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'm a bigger side. Checky point. Will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. Ayun naman kayo sa vlog guys.
Meron lang.
It's so cold outside. I'm alone. I'm
Bakit? Ba Ayun. Ang daming aligi. Aligi. Dito, yun, saan? Nanggaling ako dito sa araw. Luciano's Eatery. Diyan tayo kumain na nakaraan. Ito maganda view. Tambayan. Ginanon lang.
Yeah. Waking up, every day's tough. I'm just hoping I can make it through the same stuff. Got a bad job, got no love. Feel so alone, feel so stuck. Gotta find something to look forward to. Anything to keep my mind off what I'm going through. But I don't know where to start.
Parang paakyat to na tawag dito.
Yeah, that could be the trick. 100 different things, I mean one has gotta stick. But how exactly do I pick? If I'm good at it, like a really good fit, or maybe passion is it. Something I could do every day, never miss. Something that I love, I could feel like a gift. Forget about the money and just find what it is.
Aakyat ng buso. Basic lang. Naku, tayo na ulan. Umuulan. Buso, yun ang paan. Ano? Ala, buso, buso.
Let's go. Enigmatic, I need something like new magic, a new tactic, something that can help me take a stab at it. I wanna move past it, I need some new traffic. Up in my head, make some space for a new path, and no one really gets what I'm going through. I'm showing you what I'm obsessed to be noticing the growing mood. Anxiety is on the rise,
16 minutes na lang.
Peace of mind, anything to help me go through these thoughts in my head, thoughts in my bed, taught me to dread every night, but instead I just need a little bit of light in my head. Positive thoughts, they just might be stress. I just might need some rest, cause my life is a mess. But I could change all of that if I change my mind, if I try my best. Can I face this? Can I make it? I feel faithless, wish I could replace this. I need changes, I wanna be the greatest. So I'll chase it, I will be courageous.
Diyan dapat eh. Kaya nga, saan kaya dadaan? Saan? Doon? Umuna ka nga. Ayan, dito. 7 Evelyn.
Let me get my head straight, I need a drink of water. It's been days I've had a headache. Don't wanna wake up one day, feel like I regret things. I want my story just to have a happy ending. And I got a plan B, a plan A is all I need. Took the ships from the sea and burnt them all, no retreat. It's kill or get eat and get carried with the seeds. But that makes me feel free, hella focused on my dreams.
Yeah.
I got habits, they're established. I'm doing things a bit manic, but I can handle it. juggle that, struggle here, lose some cash, win and lose, make it back. You can choose your own path, nothing good comes fast, nothing fast ever lasts. So I'll be patient but attack every day like it's my last. Push the pedal to the gas, burn the fuel that I have, start a fire, light a match. I ain't never looking back. So plan hard and
Food.
there's no retreat, burn the boats on the shore till they're buried underneath. There ain't no going back.
Ayun.
Forget the past out of desperation.
Pare, dito, dito.
There's no retreat, don't believe. You got it in you, you can do anything that you think that you need. Don't be scared, don't succeed. The only people who compete are the ones who don't retreat.
Sakto eh. Inabot kami ng ulan.
Lumiko ka sa palengke tayo nakakain.
O tapagliko ko yung palengke na pala. Basta ulan.
I feel unstoppable and responsible to try to make all the impossible go flip to probable. This life is not something that's optional. It's got its obstacles, but it's a gift. So don't miss out on your chance to be phenomenal. Push all the chips in. I take risks 'cause whiskey wins. I take you straight to the chin. Then get right back up again. I don't lose, I always win. 'Cause any loss is a lesson. I got a different engine. Wanna go, I'll go again. I'm on the chase, why they running? Call the players that are coming. Turn the profit out of nothing like a profit up and coming. Taking shots, I'm always gunning. When I gamble, never
Dapat kami timbahang bago.
they always wanted game winners, train killers. I can make 7 figures, 8 figures, 9 figures. Pay for any fucking dinner, paint a picture. Life richer, good people, good liquor. Life bigger, fight winner. I just wanna get there quicker. So plan hard and you're free. There's no retreat, burn the boats on the shore till they're buried underneath. There ain't no going back. Forget the past out of desperation. All the people born who can last. There's no retreat, don't believe. You got it in you, you can do anything that you think that you need. Don't be scared, go succeed. The only people who can lead are the ones who don't retreat.
Bakit na kami guys ng Simbahang Bato. Oh, parang matarik nga ata. Matarik ang daan. Eh? Hindi pala dyan. Tama. Hindi pala dun. First time nating makapunta dito guys.
I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies.
Delikado gulong ko dito eh.
This legacy.
May mga bukol-bukol kasi.
You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me grow. This is my quest, I'ma make it okay. Got me obsessive, oh I know. Got me selective.
Simbahang Bato boss.
Meron 5 pesos na rin tayo.
Sige. Pare, 5. Oy, ikaw. Diyan muna. Sabi ko, per head o per motor? Sabi ko, per head per motor. Per head o. Medyo trail ang ating dadaanan guys. Ito na kami. Sino yung dalawa? Yan na guys, Simbahang Bato. Ang daming tao ngayon. Ha? Pare, meron pala dito. Sino yan? Tubo. Pinakalala mo ako. Yun kasi, abay naman eh, hindi naman hindi naman makikiagaw, aabay. Wow! Stig ah. Sir, magbalag ka, sir. Sir.
Ha? Oo nga.
News anchor ka nga, pare.
Ha?
News anchor.
Nandito po kami ngayon sa Simbahan Bato.
Sir.
Pray naman ako.
Jen, ano ka? Ma'am, ano pong masasabi nyo at na first time nyo pong nakapunta dito? Pare, nag-interview po ako ng mga first time makapunta. Ano pong masasabi nyo?
Grabe, ang ganda pala dito.
Bakit po kayo nang
Ang ganda pala
bibidyo?
nun.
Sir, ano pong masasabi nyo? Nakapunta po kayo dito?
Wala akong masabi.
Wala kang masabi. Tama yan, sir.
Ikaw sir, baka gusto mong ikaw ay aming kunan.
Ang masasabi ko lang ay
Ano pong masasabi nyo?
wrong time.
Uy! Sure!
Kita nyo po isang lalaking yan. Ay wala daw nagpapapicture doon. Eh di doon siya. Di ba?
Ay, ko, Dan, gusto mo rin doon? 1, 2, 3. Wala.
Paalis na kami. Kakain muna daw kami bago bumalik. Look, nausok pare. Eh, tabi mo nga. Tabi mo, tabi mo. Nausok. Nalapat.
Ano naman eh, yung lining na naman yan. Kapag na naman ang clutch spring.
Patay.
Eh, walang problema, may takbo pa.
Sakay ka na dyan. Yan, nakalabas na kami sa kalsada. Dun sa traffic. Ang daming ang traffic kanina kasi linggo nga pala. Daming sumimba. Okay, sa Buso. Buso again. Sige, dyan na pare. Picture ako kayo dyan. Eh. Uy guys, nagra-ride din pala kayo? Nagkapanamay pa tayo ah. Oh, dyan na. Oh. Meron. Hindi ko alam. Ara, meron na rin.
right. We were alive. We would go out. We were so loud. We were so proud. We had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays. We'd spend
Dito na ulit kami.
careless. We were fearless. We were reckless. Time was precious.
Silipin daan dito.
Whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side, finally alive. We would
Ito.
just drive, never arrive. Our journey was life.
Yeah.
Staying out late,
Yan o ilog. Wala, liguan.
running away. We live for today. Young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told. We
Ha, may liguan pare. Pwede maligo na. Ayun, may mga naliligo. Ayun o. Yung isda na. Yung isda na. Sana may daan. Kahit ang labas natin dun sa may parang palengke. Ay meron nga pre.
remember
Wala pala.
and how careless we could be.
Dire-diretso. Wala kang daan dito. Bawal. Batay madali. Saan? Oo nga, iikot nga tayo. Mag-picture kaya muna tayo ng motor.
Baka mamura tayo.
Bumurahin natin din. Yan, dito lang.
And how careless
Yan, dyan.
we could be.
Dito pala ang labas na.
Sayang nga, hindi pwedeng dumiretso, no?
Bakit sa bagong daan?
Ah. Yung dadaanan natin yan, dire-diretso yan.
That's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Yun na, ano,
So I'll take it
malaking
on.
tilapia.
I've made
Hindi
mistakes,
pala tilapia yun.
mistakes make you strong.
Sagisi?
Let's break it down for a minute.
Malipot to.
The crown, I'm gonna get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, try to
Yung
shake
sign
me,
ng
baby.
San Nicolas, tas dito. May daan dito, pero hindi ka pa makakalusot doon. Pero dito yung parang ano,
Living life like a dream. Live it like that's the beat.
parang resort din.
Team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream. And I pray as a team. One day, it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today.
Daan ka yan?
For a minute, I don't stay.
Daan ka yan?
Visit, have no
Daan
shame.
yan? Okay.
To see if they're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.
Bossing! May daan pala dito. Hey! Wala dyan pare! Aga meron dyan!
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove.
Dito ba ikaw?
Staying motivated,
Hindi ka dyan makakalusot?
teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up. You got one life to
Bossing!
big, never small, 'cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it home, need a hand. to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.
Buko
They
juice, oh.
want the best of me now, best of
Nagbubuko
me
juice ba kayo?
now, best of me now, best of me.
Ayun. Hindi tayo abot. Uy, nandito ka pala. Uy! What are you doing here? May shortcut kaming nadaanan. Nakakainis. I love Tagudtod.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know
I
is
love
to love what
Maabud
I'm doing.
North.
Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just
Pawok
wanna
sa
keep
Baywalk.
moving. Keep
Ang
my
kulit
head
ng
up when
pangalan,
I
Pawok
act.
sa Baywalk.
Get up, that's a fact. Never looking
Hey,
back. I'ma keep myself
Biggie
in check.
Bike.
Keep my head up, staying strong. Always moving on. Feel I don't
To,
belong.
I love
Time my thoughts to move along. Push
Bancobo.
myself to be the best. Die with no
Bancobo.
regrets. Live with every breath. See my message start to
wala.
spread.
Ito pala.
I had so many dreams. Then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it
Bossing!
seems. Try to find
Oy,
out what
bossing!
it means. Always do
Boss,
it
basta
on
kay
my
boss!
own, so I gotta get through it.
Ano, boss?
And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never
Titignan
give
natin,
up, never slow
bossing!
till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's. I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art. It's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed. Feel my own adrenaline.
Bossing! Nasa na tayo, bossing?
And I hope you let me
Diretso lang! Eh. Ang ganda din dito guys, tumambay siguro pagkagabi. Yan o. Eh. Eh, eh.
fake love. I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'll show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'll show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun. Yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters
Hindi,
gonna
doon
shoot
ang
and
daan,
I'm
doon sa
gonna
baba.
shoot until I fall. Yeah,
Palabas eh, tawilisan. Ito lang yung para tama, pwedeng tambayan pag gagabi, no? Bossing, may ilaw.
Never listen to the no's. I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art. It's my only
Binubuksan yan. Paikot ata tayo ng ano.
being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed. Feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in. Let me in. Yeah.
Bossing! Ligaw na tayo, bossing! Yan, dito. Kung hindi kayo didiretso doon, para labas dito, tawilisan pa din. Dahan-dahan lang, magpatakbo pa kayo. Sabi pa, babalik-bagi na kita. Yan. Basta dire-diretso lang dito. Tapos pag hindi nyo na alam, magtanong na lang kayo. Ito na guys, palabas na ng tawilisan.
Wait, let me get my head straight. I need a drink of water. It's been days I've had a headache. Don't wanna wake up one day, feel like I regret things. I want my story just to have a happy ending, and I don't got a plan B. A plan A is all I need. Took the ships from the sea and burnt them all on the tree.
Again,
It's kill or
buka.
get, eat, and get buried with the seeds. That makes me feel free. Hella focused on my dreams. I got habits, they're established.
nasa highway na tayo, bossing!
Juggle this, juggle that, struggle here, lose some cash, win and lose, make it back. You can choose your own path, nothing good comes fast, nothing fast ever lasts. So I'll be patient but attack every day like it's my last. Push the pedal to the gas, burn the fuel that I have, start a fire, light a match. I ain't never looking back. So plant hard in your feet, there's no retreat. Burn the boats on the shore till they're buried underneath. There ain't no going back. Forget the past out of desperation. Are the people born who can last? There's no retreat. But believe you got it in you. You can do anything that you think that you need. Don't be scared, go succeed. The only people who compete are the ones who don't retreat. Feel unstoppable, ain't responsible to try to make all the impossible go flip to probable. This life is not something that's optional, it's got its obstacles, but it's a gift. So don't miss out on your chance to be phenomenal. Push all the chips in, I take risks cause risky wins. I take it straight to the chin, then get right back up again. I don't lose, I always win, cause any loss is a lesson. I got a different engine, wanna go, I'll go again. I'm on the chase while they running, call the plays that are coming. Turn a profit out of nothing, like a prophet up and coming. Taking shots, I'm always gunning. When I gamble, never bluffing. Last shot, I'll be clutching. Hit the shot they always wanted. Game winners, train killers. I can make 7 figures, 8 figures, 9 figures. Pay for any fucking dinner. Paint a picture, life richer. Good people, good liquor. Life bigger, fight winner. I just wanna get there quicker. So plant hard in your feet, there's no retreat. Burn the boats on the shore till they're buried underneath. There ain't no going back. Forget the past out of desperation. Are the people born who can last? There's no retreat. But believe you got it